Hello everyone, I'm Mr.T robot and I'm thinking, what do I do with this giant cabbage? Maybe perhaps we should pickle it. So anyway, I'm using this giant Chinese cabbage for pickling it. Pickled cabbage. Let's go! When you have such giant vegetables, all you have to do to preserve is to put some salt, and that's already more than enough. So anyway, I will leave them for about an hour or more in fridge. Alright, let's give it a try. It's a little bit spicy, which means good. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, and hope to see you soon. Stay safe. Bye.